You know those little mandarin orange packs you can throw in your lunches? We are using one of these as there's enough moisture in this to still make that perfect loaf. Now we're starting with a dark colored baking tray. This is 8 inches by 4 inches and it's well greased for the occasion. Moving on. Now for those quailers out there, I am using 8 eggs. 8 eggs is approximately equivalent to 2 chicken eggs. So I've already cracked these and I'm letting the shells just settle a little bit before I add all the mixture together. 1/2 cup oil. Let's get blending. Woohoo! Okay, let's open this up. Check the expiration date. Why that matters? It does matter. If the expiration date passes beyond a reasonable length of time, it might not rise properly. Okay, opening it up, you get a little tin. This has the cranberries and that orange zest in it, which we include the liquid measure in this. And here's our cake mix. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Now here in Nevada, we do have bugs. So just check your products before you do any baking or cooking. Just saying. If you want to check out my haphazard moment last year, you can check out that in my playlist. Alright, we're keeping it real. Let's go. Add your mixture. Oh, that's nice. Fluffy. This is my Tupperware bowl. I hope you'll like it. And we're going to add our 1/2 cup oil, 1 little cup of mandarin oranges, including the juice. And I've chopped the little pieces up already. Those are going in. And 8 quail eggs. As you can get little shells sometimes coming out. If you like that trick or a little tip, let me know in the comments below. So in case you're curious about what's in that tin in the packet, they're cranberries. It looks just like cranberry jelly, just like that. So I'm just going to take that out and add it to our mixture next. Oh, doesn't that look good? Oh, there it is. There's our loaf. Isn't that beautiful with all those fruits? It's something more healthy than just, you know, a bread or a loaf. Something with both things in it that's healthy. Let's go outside and I'll show you what I mean. Oh, I need my sunglasses. You will too. And your oven mitts. So here, let's go. Quick, easy, fast. Our loaf is now cooking and I've just come in from outside, taking a break, staying hydrated. I hope you are too. We'll come back in a little bit and I'll give it the toothpick test. And in the meantime, let me know in the comments section below if you have any questions about solar cooking. I might be able to help you with. Okay, so when it gets hot, what do you do to stop from passing out? Well, if you feel like you're getting close, this is what I do. This is a little bean bag. It at one time was one of those little lavender spa sachets or a sachet. Anyways, you put it on your head and if you had a headache, it would go away, you know, fall asleep. Well, the aroma and the fragrance has gone out of it, and I've found it helpful to keep it in the freezer. Just put on the back of my neck when I start to feel hot and get dizzy. So that's what I'm doing. I just thought I'd share. Hot. Really hot. We'll be back. Hang in there. Press on. Okay, so let's say you have picky eaters and you present, I just made this beautiful orange cranberry loaf, and you get, ew. Well, here's an idea, a backup plan, if you will, a backup banana bread loaf with peanut butter and jelly. Are you ready for this? This is what you're gonna need. So let's go. Woohoo! To make that peanut butter and jelly banana bread, you are going to need the following ingredients. A Pillsbury quick bread. This is the banana bread. We used the pumpkin bread in my other video, and you can check that out. We're going to make this using 1 cup of filtered water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 2 eggs. So we're going to start opening it up. Check the expiration date. All right, take it out. And it's always good wherever you are living. Check it if anything made it into the package. So there's no lumps in this. This is beautiful. All right. We're adding our 1 cup water. And to this, our 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now that's what it says. This is what I'm using. I get it in the big container because, well, it's a little slightly better value. All right, 1/3 cup. Just like pancake mix, you don't want to over stir it. You just get the lumps out. And when you do, then it's time for the peanut butter and jelly. I almost forgot the eggs. We need 2 eggs. That's about 8 quail eggs. This is a little more runny, which means there's going to be more moisture when we solar cook this, which then means it'll take longer time to bake, or if you crack the seal, in other words, you open it to allow venting, that extra moisture can escape that much sooner. Okay. One thing too, those little dehydrated bananas, if you give this mixture a little time to just sit or rest, it'll help rehydrate those, and then you'll see it thicken up that much more. Okay, I'm using this organic peanut butter. It only has 2 ingredients, peanuts and salt. Not bad. 1/3 cup. This is chunky. I like it with a little bit of a crunch. Oh, then you know it's real. And try not to drop your spoon in the mix. Now you can use whatever peanut butter you want. Likewise, this is the jam I have, so I'm using it, the strawberry jam. Strawberry jelly would be fine. And the measurement, whoo! That was almost a Canadian moment. Slippery little sucker. 1/4 cup of jelly or jam. All this is going in next. And then I have to brace myself to go back outside and see if the solar oven has preheated to at least 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so take a moment, stir all this in. Oh, I'll bring you closer so you can see. Oh, yum. And of course, those eggs. Oh, I invite you to try this. Peanut butter, banana, strawberry jam. A bread loaf for the summertime. Whether it's a dessert or you end up having it for dinner, you can make this beautiful. Now we're ready to pour this in our greased baking tray, and we'll go outside and deal with the heat. And routinely check the position of the solar oven, and if you need to adjust it, that will help with even cooking. All right, let's go. Okay, you're in there. Put the lid down. There, it's locked. Here it is, the orange, mandarin orange, cranberry cake. We're going to cut a slice. See the nice crust? Oh, I'm gonna cut another slice. Whoop, a little bit crumbly. It's overall nice. Oh, it's soft. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Mmm. Yum. Have it with a little bit of margarine or butter on it. Mmm. Mmm. Very nice. It's still a little warm, so it's breaking on me to show you. Look at the nice fluffy texture. This is the banana bread with the peanut butter and the strawberry jam. And because it cooked along with the other bread loaf, might have been a little bit more moist in there. I had trouble cutting out the first piece. Well, that's how it is. That happens sometimes. But it's very nice. It's still soft. I should have watched it closer. I should have brought it in a lot sooner too. So, something, troubleshoot. Keep your eye on solar cooking, especially if you have left the little vent open. See how nice the crust is? That was the trade-off. I wanted a nice crispy crust. The other one's fine. Yeah, something to consider. Anyways, that's it.